So the idea behind our name Standard Deviation is that our economy today faces a double challenge. On one hand, there are the standard, the big corporations at the heart of our economy today. They need to be deviating their trajectories in the face of the ecological crisis that we're facing. And at the same time, there are deviants, and those are people, entrepreneurs who have understood what's at stake and have integrated those challenges at the heart of their project, models, business. And we need to help these deviants become the new standards. And what's fascinating is that those deviants today they're being marginalized, and they're fighting business as usual at every step. And so they actually need a lot of support so that their projects can come to fruition and be successful. A deviant is someone who goes against the norm, and right now going against the norm is actually a good thing because our norm is driving us to collapse. So deviants are people and organizations that are trying to invent a new economy, one that allows us to thrive within planetary boundaries. So we're excited to be a co-host of the residency because we believe this is a fertile ground for deviants, for entrepreneurs and project owners, project builders who will look at all the opportunities in the Web3 space and try to ground those projects opportunities with real positive impact. So we want to make sure that we provide the right brief for those entrepreneurs, making sure that they address the most pressing issues that we're actually facing as a species today.